if you guys can spot it. uh, so tools live jQuery methods. This is the program we've been discussing. So I drop here. So nothing happens because I've written nothing. So here on click, right? So let's give me a second. My wire got twisted. So yeah, this, yes. So yeah, that is the thing. So let's test the first method we were discussing here, is click. Okay. So you guys can hear me. Hey Sana, we're just talking about jQuery methods. I guess you have seen it on Facebook page. I'm Sagar here. I deliver the classes here, the live classes. So we already discussed about this particular thing. We're gonna start PHP, working on real-time projects. So I'll be teaching you guys how do we tackle about real-time projects. How do we really tackle? So if you guys continue, people who continue, like they'll get a domain name, they'll get a hosting, and everybody will be assigned with a project, a peculiar project. It's complete project. It's not a snippet. It's not a module. So if you guys are interested, I'll get you guys a domain for which you gotta pay, and I'll get you a space, and the course, the entire project, PHP MySQL course, including project and job search and interview help and lifetime membership, I say, is 2,500, which we are giving for a discounted rate. So that is what we have discussed previously in the class, and then we have discussed about the jQuery methods, and the introduction to jQuery was discussed in the previous class, which was a week before. If you have questions on that particular class, you can always navigate via past classes to find all the past classes videos, files and notes. Everything will be over there. If you guys have any question, yeah, after watching the videos, not before watching the videos, after watching the videos, any question, come back to class, say, hey Sagar, this particular class I could not get it, man. Just explain it again. So I'm here to explain. I can take a separate section or separate session over that. Okay. I hope you guys understood. You guys hear actually? Can you guys hear me? Did I lose anyone? Yeah, great. So yeah, let's write about. I'll just open this. So I'll write a button here. Okay. Let's use Twitter Bootstrap. So here link is used to include the external files. So we have styles inside our styles folder here. So I'll include that styles slash bootstrap dot min dot css. So rel equal to style sheet. This is very important. So it tells the browser that hey, this particular link is external style sheet. So here what I do is, like, I'll use a button. For button I'll use a class. Let the class be btn primary. Okay, and here's the button. uh, then I'll say click to test me. I'll say, let's see what really happens here. I'm refreshing here. You can see the button over there. I did not like the styling over there. I want to get it in the middle, let's say. So I'll use a div here. Div class equal to container is a default bootstrap class. Okay, remember that, container. So let's see, does it make any difference or not? Yeah, it made a difference, but it did not make a difference in the margin over there. So what I do is, I'll use another class called top. Okay, so here what I do is, like, I'll use styles. Let me use internal style. So here dot top, I'll say margin top, let's say 50 pixels. Okay, I'm saying the margin top should be 50 pixels. Now you can see, okay. Now I say click to test me. I'm clicking it, it's not doing anything. I did not write anything. Alright? Yes, any questions here? Nothing, right? I just put a button over there. It's a bootstrap button. Now I'll write the actual script here. So script is our JavaScript here. It's a client-side scripting. So script. So what I tell is document, okay, dot ready. If you guys can remember from the previous class, jQuery always starts between these two. So what I do is document dot ready. Okay, write a function. So this is the default. Okay, what usually people do is, okay, write this like this. So this is a good practice, I say. So they just write it like this. So this is the default thing. So always remember, copy this and paste anywhere you want to use jQuery. So that is it. Now here comes the actual thing. Now what should happen whenever I click on button? So this is a selector button dot click. Whenever I click on that, what should happen as a function? Okay, function. And remember, every event should be like this. Every event. So what I want to do is like I want to put a content into the class called test method click. So how do we write class selector? Class selectors always starts with a dot test method click dot, I'll say append. Okay, let's use append. What I want to append, I want to append this. I'll say var text equal to thank you for watching this. Let's say watching this. So here I'll say append text. Okay. Now let's see. Let's see. So let's say this. Click. Okay, let's do one more thing. This is kind of weird. I want to put a BR. Okay, let's see. Click. You see that? It's pretty. It looks like, you know, pretty simple out there, the code. But you see, when I'm clicking, it's up it. Okay, right? Any questions here? So Sana's left. Maybe I don't know. She has a poor connection out there, I guess. So yeah, any questions over here? What I'm doing is, do you guys want me to explain the code again? What we are really doing out there? No? Great. You got it, Annie? Nice. And Sandeep? Great. So it's pretty simple. I'll explain you guys again. So this is a default statement. Whatever you do, whenever you want to write a jQuery script, okay, this is a default. This is the skeleton, let me say. Now whatever the action you want to do, I want to write an event for click. Okay, you have to say button dot click. Then what should happen? I said append. So instead of append, what I do is like I'll say HTML. Now you guys tell me what happens now. Okay, what's the difference append and HTML? So just give me a wild guess. No problem if you're wrong. No problem if you're right, or no problem if you're utterly wrong. What happens when I say it doesn't repeat itself? Okay, and he has an answer. So who else got an answer? Who else has an answer? Taufik. Shoot it, no problem. You guys have only 30 seconds to answer this. No one? Are you guys googling it? Don't want to Google. This is a disadvantage of online class. You really don't know what your students do.